All right, guys, here we are, update number 2 for Wildside Beard Company and Year of the Beard. So, stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, and gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Today, we're going to be taking a look at update number 2 for Wildside Beard Company and Year of the Beard. So, Year of the Beard, 12 companies, 12 months. Each company gets their own month in this beard. So this month, for the month of July, is Wildside Beard Company. So today, we're going to be taking a look at the scent Duck Blind. So check out that label. It's got the wiregrass in the background, and it's the brown label with the brown Wildside logo in the middle, which is just an awesome logo. And the same thing on their balm. So that's what we're going to talk about today, is the oil and the balm in Duck Blind. So let's jump in to the balm first. So this is a 2-ounce balm. It comes with a screw top tin, and the bottom side has our ingredients, which are beeswax, shea butter, jojoba, rose hip oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, and scented with premium grade essential oils. So when we unscrew this, you got kind of an off-white color. And you can see I've dug all the way around this tin. Like I said in the last one, Wildside balms are more of a conditioning balm. Love them. And the scent on this, I get that Duck Blind scent. We're going to go over that profile in just a second. Let's talk about the oil first. So the oil comes in this 1-ounce amber glass dropper top bottle. You've got your logo on the front, and on the back side you've got the ingredients. Ingredients on the oil: jojoba oil, rosehip oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, and scented with premium grade essential oils. Now, let's talk about the scent profile for Duck Blind. It is pine, tea tree, sandalwood, cedarwood, jasmine, and a splash of peppermint. All right, so let's get a little shake here, and let's see. So your oil has a yellow color to it, kind of a clear yellow, and it's on the light to medium on consistency. It smells so good. It took me a minute after first impression. Okay, so I did the first impression, and I wasn't real sure about this scent. But after wearing it, I love it. I pick up that pine. That's really the first thing that I pick up, is the pine. I don't get the sandalwood. I get the tea tree though. And it just smells so good. My wife is not a huge fan of this. She's not a fan of the tea tree, and that's what she picks up, and she doesn't like it. But I can tell you, me personally, I really do like this scent. The pine is the leading scent that you get, and the scent duration on this was an all-day scent. This scent lasted hands down all day long. It was easy 6 to 8 hours without fail. Now, there were a couple nights that I mixed up. You know, you can mix the oil and the balm and kind of come up with a little butter. That's what I did a couple nights. But for the most part, I would just put the balm in at night and wear the oil during the day. It worked out great. These are some amazing products. Have done so well for my beard. I can tell you, putting this stuff in, even I really try not to run a comb through my beard during the day. But on my way home from work, I'll grab my comb. I keep a comb in my truck. I'll grab my comb and run my comb through, just to make sure everything's back in place and that kind of thing. No snags, no tangles whatsoever after 8-10 hours of this product being in my beard, which is a big deal as curly as my beard is. My beard likes to dry and come up and curl back up, especially the underbeard. So being able to get a comb through it after 8-10 hours is amazing. So I definitely recommend Wildside. But if you like that pine, that tea tree, that kind of scent, then you would like duck blind. It's not a scent for everybody, I can go ahead and tell you that, but it is a really, really good scent. All right, so don't forget promo code Beard Outdoors 15. That'll save you 15%. So let's talk about prices. $15 for an oil, $15 for a balm, or $27 for a combo. Use that promo code, you save 15%. So win-win. Now that promo code, I get no kickback from it. I will put it in the description below as well as on the screen. I get no kickback from it. It's just there to save you guys some money. So get over, check out Wildside. Links will be in the description below. Don't forget the giveaway at the end of the year, where you're going to have to be commenting on each video. You're going to have to follow each one of these companies on Instagram, and you're going to have to be a subscriber to my channel to be entered into that giveaway. All right, guys, well, that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.